Hi all, this is Ashish Kal here. Welcome again to Ashish Kal Trading Gurukul learning series by wavestrategy.com. So I'm going to do a very quick short announcement on 24th of July, which is this Saturday, coming Saturday. I'm conducting a free webinar at 5 p.m., which is on trading using candlesticks and Bollinger Bands. It's a very interesting subject. ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सेशन होने वाला है, 2 घंटे का सेशन है. In this you are going to learn something very astonishing, and I'm sure these 2 hours of your time that you are going to spend on a Saturday at 5 p.m. is going to be extremely important, because you will be learning so much about stock market in these 2 hours that you might not have known before. So candlestick is a very powerful technique, but you need to know how to apply it correctly. You can even read it on Google, find it from someone else, and can tell you, and there are a lot of people who are doing this. But I am going to tell you exactly the way you have to see this thing. Also remember one more thing. ये जो webinar है ये हिंदी और इंग्लिश में mix होगा, so you will have the flavor of both and you will be able to understand it very clearly. For me, if you try, I'll just give a brief about my background. I am an engineer. I did my MBA way back, and I also worked with Lehman Brothers in 2008 when the company filed for bankruptcy. And then Nomura took over, and lot of things happened. And then I thought, yeah, let me have a firm Wave Strategy Advisors, which is providing independent research using this technical analysis method, and I can do analysis right from the most foundation block, building block, which is candlestick, Dow theory, and indicators, plus combine that with along with concepts like Elliott wave, Neo wave, time cycles, all of those things I can do. I've written a book which is published in October 2020 globally, Effective Trading in Financial Markets, available in London, available in India, available in US. So what I'm trying to tell you is, don't you want to learn something from a person who has seen it, done it, and published a book as well? So I have been acting as a trader, a mentor. Also, I have been speaking at a lot of places. I've spoken at National Stock Exchange. I've spoken at IAMS. So I've been doing this, and I want to spread this awareness of systematic trading. If you look at the overall market, it has been not easy for you because you don't have a method. Do you have a method in place? Do you have a plan? Do you have a goal? How much you can make when you are trading the market? These things are very important. And it does not matter if you are in a full time as a trader, there is always something for you to learn from this program, which is happening. It's a free webinar. You don't really have to do anything. If you want to quit your job and want to become a full time trader, how to go about it? At least get that tools with you. At least try and get those things in hand, and then you can possibly plan doing quitting your job. And I'm sure this Saturday, when I'm going to talk about it, which is on 24th of July, you are going to be astonished to see how powerful simple methods can be. And it's very easy. You don't need a software. You don't need any kind of preparation before. You just need to come in for 2 hours of time with me, and I can make it happen for you all. So it's important that the webinar is going to be on a Zoom platform. The link will be shared across with you a day prior to this webinar, and you have to ensure that you are also asking your friends or family members to attend. What is there to lose? Along with that, what I'm going to do is, we will be giving you free bonus videos, which is going to be you will have access to those free bonus videos for lifetime. Those videos will be there. You just have to register on the link on the form that you can see, and then you will be given access to a lot of things eventually. So what is that? As I say, you have nothing to lose but to only gain. So take that step. Don't you want to be moving towards that financial freedom? We have worked. So for me, I have been earlier when I was on the job, spending nearly 3 hours traveling, and then working for nearly 12, 14 hours. But do we really want to keep doing that? Spend nearly 15, 16 hours a day working and traveling? No, I said no. I have to take that step, and I took that action. I did my CMT as well, which is Chartered Market Technician. from US. So I did that as well. And I took that step forward. And today I can work from wherever I want. I have a resort named Cloud9 Hills Resort, which is in Lonavala. And I was nearly for around 8 to 9 months. I stayed back there during pandemic. I traveled about a month back. I was there for a few weeks again. So I can work from where I want. I can do when I want it to do. So, don't you want that freedom? That's freedom. You can spend time with your family if you can possibly trade like what 15-30 minutes a day. You need to plan out things and do that. So what's the hiccup? Simply register yourself for this event and see yourself why this is such a powerful tool, and it is so simple. I'm going to break it down into a very simple process which can be applied for intraday trading. You can do positional trading using that. You can do option trading by looking at that 2 hours of technique that I'm going to give it to you using candlestick and Bollinger Bands. And you can do it on equities, commodities, forex market. It does not matter. What you have to really ensure and do is spend your time, register yourself, and get there. And along with that, as I said, you will also be getting free bonus videos as soon as you are a part of this program. That's why I call it like a Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul. It's a Gurukul where we want people to learn and grow together. So join us and let us make it happen for every one of us. And ensure you invite your friends and family member. Be there on time. It's going to be exclusive event for you, not going to be telecasted again. Exclusive only for people who are a part of this program and event. It's a free webinar on trading using candlesticks and Bollinger Bands. So see you soon on a Saturday and have a wonderful time. Thank you.